All right, everybody, motorcycle mobile mechanic. I'm back. What I had to do is I changed the oil pump chain. So I went ahead and got a new sprocket, new chain, new bearings, changed it all out. I have a video posted online about how it sounds when the oil pump chain is bad. And then you guys get to see what it sounds like now because it's all fixed. It sounds way much better. All quiet now. I'll post some more videos, everybody. Follow up, subscribe to my page. I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada.